In today's video, I will show you guys how to play all your favorite PSP games on Android with the help of the PPSPP emulator. Now, this video is going to be a full and complete guide when it comes to setting up the PPSSPP emulator on Android. And also, at the end of this video, I'm going to suggest another video that is going to give you guys the correct settings that you need to apply, because without the correct settings, you're not going to get smooth, lag-free gameplay. So just make sure to also wait to the end of this video so you can get the correct settings to utilize. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by downloading the PPSSPP emulator from your Play Store. Now, you are going to see two different types, the normal version and the gold version. So you can download any one of your choice because they are both actually the same thing. Now, once you are done downloading that, the next thing you need to download is your Z archiver. This is very important because without this app, you won't be actually able to extract any games, stop less of playing any games. So make sure to download the two. Now, once you are done downloading it, the first thing you need to do is to open your PPSSPP emulator. So once open, it's going to open up like this. So right now you need to create your PSP folder. So just click on OK, and then once you've clicked on OK, you have to select the folder that you want to utilize. As for me, I normally like to use my document folder. So all I have to do now is click on document, then at the bottom I'll click on use this folder, then click on allow. Now once I've done this, the next thing I have to do is to click on OK. So once in here, you will observe that there's still no game to play at all in this emulator. So now we have to actually extract a game so we can play it. So to do this, simply go back to your menu and then open your Z Archiver app. So once you've opened this app, you have to locate your game file. Now your game file is normally going to be a zip file, which is not playable. The only one that is playable is an ISO file. So that's why you have to extract it with this app. So right now, my files is in the download section, in my UC download. So you can see I'm having FIFA here. I'm also having Tekken in here. But for this video, I'm going to be extracting the FIFA 14 file. So right now, in order to do this, you just have to tap on it once. So once you tap on it, you're going to see extract here. So click on it. Once you click on extract here, it's going to start extracting the ISO file. So you just have to wait for it to complete. So now that it's complete, you can actually see the ISO file in here. So you need to hold down on that ISO file. Like I said, hold down on it, not click on it. So once you hold down on it, you see this cut icon. So click on cut. So once you click on cut, just go back to your main directory. Now, once you are in here, you have to go into your PSP game folder. If you remember, my PSP folder is in my document folder. So I'm going to click on document, PSP, game, and then at the bottom you see the paste icon. Now we'll paste this ISO in here. So once we've done this, all we have to do is to open our emulator again. Now you can see there's still no game in here because there's one more thing that we have to do. So you can see the browse icon at the top. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, now you have to select the PSP game folder so that the emulator will know that that's where you are storing your game. So let's do it from the beginning. So document, PSP, game, and at the bottom we'll click use this folder, then click allow. So once we've done this, you can see that the FIFA file is now ready for us to play. So all we have to do now is just click on the game and we'll be able to play it. So as you guys can see, everything is playing super nicely. And like I said, simply wait for the end of this video so you can get the best settings to apply for your PPSSPP emulator so you can get smooth, lag-free gameplay. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it's have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.